This 2014 Jayco Greyhawk 31FK is a Class C RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon, 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7 and 32 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2014 Jayco Greyhawk 31FK and is powered by a Triton 6.8 LV10 engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.